Hello! This special video involves a stolen car, a car chase, the police, and Uber. Here's what happened. Earlier today, I was hanging out with Ben and eating nachos, but Ben's car disappeared.
Alright, so my car just got... it disappeared. I'm not sure what happened to it.
We thought it got towed. Nope, it got stolen. Ben has a GPS in the car, so we know where the car is.
There's a 5-minute delay on the GPS, so we have to kind of guess where the car is.
We called the police.
911, yep.
What do you say, 911?
Yep.
911, that's it?
Yeah, 911.
We call 911?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm calling 911!
Yeah, I have a car that was stolen that's currently being driven across the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge. They're stuck in traffic. They're going towards Oakland.
Okay, what kind of car is it?
It is a smart car.
But they said we shouldn't chase it and just file a police report. Ben said no.
And so, unfortunately, all we have to do is actually follow it ourselves, and hopefully they do stop at some point.
And the Uber driver, Dolapo from Nigeria, said, sure, we'll get this car. Oh my god, we're chasing down people who might have guns.
Take a let's see. Actually, Gibraltar, you can go straight.
Straight? Car goes east, we go east. South, we go south. Then the car stopped at the local Safeway.
They have basically stopped.
They stopped?
Yeah, it looks like they're in Safeway right now.
So Ben locks his car from his phone remotely.
If they actually got out of the vehicle, it's locked and they shouldn't be able to get back inside.
We get to the Safeway, make a drive-by, scared.
Yeah,
that's the guy, that's the guy, that's the guy, that's the guy, that's the guy. Did you see that? There's people in the vehicle.
They're trying to drive it.
They're trying to...
Alright, so I'm on the phone with 911 right now. They're sending 2 officers on the way. Open right now, you can see the 2 people inside.
2 minutes later, the police swoops in at gunpoint.
I will release my dog. You understand that?
Oh, more cars. Should not steal a car, man. Should not steal a car. Oh my god. And arrest these 2 bad guys.
Crazy.
That's the craziest thing I've ever done in my life.
I haven't seen this before, man.
But Ben was calm.
Last time I got my car at another Safeway. This is yet again.
Wow. And Dolapo went crazy.
Don't mess with me, don't mess with Nigeria. We do things the right way.
The moral of the story, don't steal a car, because the police, Dolapo and Ben will eat you for breakfast.